Once upon a time, sailors told stories of mermaids, graceful, mysterious creatures gliding through the waves. Turns out, they were probably looking at manatees. Not exactly elegant, but honestly, kind of adorable. Last December, I came to Silver Spring State Park in Central Florida. Every winter, when the rivers cool, manatees return here for the warm 72-degree water. Locals call them the park's quiet guests. I went along in a glass-bottomed kayak made for two. They're perfect for photos and videos, and also for a workout. Many of them carry scars from the boat propellers, a small reminder of how fragile peace can be. That's why parks like this matter. A place to breathe, to rest, to heal.
He's huge.
Maybe the sailors weren't entirely wrong. There's magic here, not in beauty or perfection, but in how something so big and clumsy can move with so much grace.